Hello, fellow future historians. No, not you, George Washington. My name is Israel, and this is Israel Speaks. I feel like it's important for us to learn history. More specific, real history. This isn't your average history book. This is the raw, uncut, unfalsified truth. Hey, come closer. Did you know George Washington broke 3 of his own laws? Or Abe Lincoln originally wanted to send all the slaves back to Africa? And even this, at a young age, Ben Franklin believed slavery wasn't a bad thing. Who controls the past controls the future. And who controls the present controls the past. So let's control our future. Those are the words of George Orwell. If you like things like this, come to Israel Speaks, where we keep history real, or as I like to call it, Israel.